Hello everyone, this is Garvit Bhatnagar, the content marketer and trainer at SkillYards. So from today we are starting a new series, the communication series, where you will get to learn about public speaking skills, personality development skills, and overall soft skills. So for today we have taken the topic reading skill, through which we will learn about how to read and how to analyze a comprehension or a paragraph properly. So we have taken सबसे पहले हमने लिया है an article from the Hindu. Google offered to sell part of adtech business, not enough for EU publishers, sources say. So for this we have taken about 70 to 80 words this paragraph, and I have imported this into Word. I have copied this into Word, and I have highlighted the difficult words and the mispronounced words of the same paragraph. तो सबसे पहले we have to read this. उसके बाद we have to find the difficult words. The third step will be finding the mispronounced words, and the final fourth step will be completing all the errors, correcting all the errors, and reading the final comprehension and understanding it. So let's start. Alphabet's Google took a major step this year to end an EU antitrust investigation with an offer to sell its advertising marketplace ADX, but European publishers rejected the proposal as insufficient. Two people with direct knowledge of the matter said on Wednesday. Google's lucrative adtech business attracted EU regulatory scrutiny last year following a complaint from the European Publishers Council. The European Commission subsequently charged Google with favoring its own advertising services, opening its fourth case against the world's most popular search engine. We have completed the first step, which is reading the comprehension. Our second step will be finding out the difficult words. So what I have done is I have highlighted and read the difficult words. So let's start with the word antitrust. Antitrust means rules or laws to prevent big companies from being too powerful and unfair to small businesses. The second is investigation. Investigation को हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं जांच पड़ताल, which means looking into something carefully to find out the truth or gather information. किसी के बारे में पढ़ना. The third is insufficient. Insufficient मतलब काफी नहीं होना, not enough. The fourth is lucrative. Lucrative means something that makes a lot of money, जिससे बहुत पैसा बनता हो, कोई ऐसी चीज जिससे बहुत पैसा बनता हो. Then scrutiny. Close and detailed examination or inspection. The meaning of the words investigation and scrutiny are very related to each other, and they are very similar in some kind. Then subsequently. Subsequently means किसी चीज के बाद होना, happening after something else. So we have completed the second step, which is finding out the difficult words. Our third step is finding out the mispronounced words. The first one is marketplace. Some people pronounce the word R, the letter R in the word, but the letter R is silent. We will just say marketplace. Then Wednesday. Some people pronounce it Wednesday, but it's not correct. The correct pronunciation is Wednesday. Then third is lucrative, not lucrative, it's lucrative. And the last one is scrutiny, not scrutiny, it's just scrutiny. So as we have completed the first three steps, reading, finding out the difficult words, and the third one, finding out the mispronounced words. So we will just start with the last step. Finally reading the comprehension with all the corrections made. Alphabet's Google took a major step this year to end an EU antitrust investigation with an offer to sell its advertising marketplace ADX, but European publishers rejected the proposal as insufficient. Two people with direct knowledge of the matter said on Wednesday. Google's lucrative adtech business attracted EU regulatory scrutiny last year following a complaint from the European Publishers Council. The European Commission subsequently charged Google with favoring its own advertising services, opening its fourth case against the world's most popular search engine. So I think this is it. So let me just quickly revise all the four steps we have to keep in mind while reading a comprehension or a passage or a paragraph or a newspaper or anything else. So first one is just quickly reading and analyzing the paragraph. Second, finding the difficult words or sentences. Third, finding a mispronounced word जिनकी pronunciation correct नहीं आ रही हो. And the last one is जो second और third difficult words और mispronounced words की errors थे उनको correct कर corrections, we have to make the corrections, and finally reading the last comprehension. तो फॉर टुडे आई थिंक दिस इज इट। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में वी विल लर्न अबाउट पब्लिक स्पीकिंग स्किल्स, कि आपने किसी टॉपिक को, किसी प्रेजेंटेशन को समझ तो लिया है, बट आपको किसी ऑडियंस के सामने इफ यू हैव टू प्रेजेंट इट इन फ्रंट ऑफ एन ऑडियंस, हाउ विल यू डू इट? So till the next video, adios, bye bye.